In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large videos through email using Dropbox. This is a great way to share hefty files without running into email size limitations. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you log into your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and straightforward. Once you're in, you'll want to upload the video file that you'd like to share. Now, to upload the file, you have a couple of options. You can either drag and drop the file directly into your Dropbox folder, or click on the Upload Files button. Either method will work just fine. Once the video file has been uploaded, locate it within your Dropbox account. Right-click on the file. This will bring up a menu of options. From here, you will want to select Share, and then choose Share with Dropbox. This selection is crucial because it allows you to generate a link that others can use to view your video. Before you create your link, you might want to customize the settings to fit your needs. Perhaps you want the link to have an expiration date, or maybe you'd prefer to add password protection to ensure that only the intended recipient can access it. These options are available to you and can provide peace of mind when sharing sensitive content. When you're satisfied with the settings, click on Create. Dropbox will take care of the rest, generating a shareable link and automatically copying it to your clipboard. And just like that, you've got a simple way to share your large video. Now move over to your email client to compose a new email. In the body of your email, paste the link that's waiting on your clipboard. This link is what your recipient will click on to view the video. Feel free to add any other relevant information or instructions in the email. Let your recipient know any details they might need, especially if you've added password protection or an expiry date to the link. Finally, look over your email to make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy with it, hit that send button, and there you have it. You've successfully sent a large video through email without compromising on video quality or size. This method using Dropbox not only saves you from the hassle of figuring out how to compress large files, but it also ensures your videos are kept secure and easily accessible for your recipients. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and remember to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.